I say, yo, check me. Y'all might understand this, y'all might not. I'ma say what's on my mind, so the top of a ladder I climb. I feel like I'm stuck in this life like a mine, but I got a bad little repeat. She a fucking down, so I pass and fuck the herb, cause these niggas absurd. People in my gang, nigga, you from the fucking suburb. I'm important to you fools, like a noun to a verb. Shit's running through my chest like fuck. I'm higher than the rest, but just like DJ Khaled, I'm the best. Wait, I'm holding mine down like a fucking crest. She crazy, she wild, she wanna have my child. I'm smoking out this fucking pipe. Bitch lay back and that fucking look her right. I think she might be the type, cause she swallow my babies. The bitch nasty like she got rabies. She running and asking for a front. Fuck you a little runt. So I'm rolling up the blunt just so I can stunt. I'm floating on a cloud, it's stuck on loud. Yep, I'm in the crowd, so I might just have to take a fucking bow, cause there ain't no way I'm fucking taking vows. So say smoking on a tree, just so my nigga Shawty T can be free. Cause it's real behind the walls, praying and wishing somebody will answer your fucking call. So pay attention before the intermission, cause they're catching you up like an intervention for the prevention. So I might just forget to mention, bitch, you fucking with a nigga with a big penis. She running to her girlfriends like, have you seen this? She missed this long stroke. Yeah, she missed it. Lay back fucking you, it's the kind she wish. Cause I eat that pussy out like a fucking gourmet dish. Yeah. Feel me, nigga? Y'all ain't ready.